Rick with the best of everything. Let's take a look at the Haptime YGH-391 weather station alarm clock from Starcn. This is a pretty slick little desktop clock. Well, it's not a little desktop clock, pretty good size. It's a 4x6. Nice display. It has two little tiny batteries, like button batteries, to keep track of it once you have it set, on off switch. And this runs off of USB power. Comes with a USB cable. USB 2B micro in case you lose the cable or the dog eats it. It's an easy cable to replace. And with the cable comes a wall wart. Pretty standard wall wart, USB 2. Output is 5 volt, half amp, 500 milliamp hours. These are always handy to have available. Also, they supply us with a nice little screwdriver. Tiny thing. So the tiny screwdriver you will need to access the battery hatch. 2 AAA batteries for the outside unit. Wireless. And it's pretty fast acting. The outer casing is still kind of cool. It's like 20 degrees out. I brought this in 5 minutes ago and it's almost caught up with room temperature and humidity. So that's pretty fast acting. The settings on this are simple and straightforward. Just hit your MS button and it will go through the month, the date, and then it will do the year. And of course, as you toggle through the year, you'll see the days changing. It'll tell you what year you're come up to. When you come up to this year, current year, then you go to the next. And it will be your alarms. This has 2 alarms that you can set. I currently have the alarms turned off. But it will show a bell if an alarm is on. And you also have what is showing you battery status. Okay, the battery status that it is showing you is a feedback from your external unit. So if your external unit starts to get low battery, then this little deal will start to warn you that you need to go out with your little tiny screwdriver and 2 fresh AAA batteries. And take the backing off. insert 2 batteries, and then back on again. Also, if you have some sort of an interference problem, this has 3 channels that you can select on a switch, just 1, 2, 3, and you can that way keep it from cross with other devices on the same frequency, 2.4 gigahertz. So you have about a 75 foot range. With obstructions, 50 is pushing it. We have 4 walls between us and the place that I had set this outdoors, and it's kind of iffy. If I move this around where it's like looking through a doorway, then it will connect to it. Starcn Haptime YGH391. This is really a nice little clock, weather station, indoor, outdoor temperature. I like this. I'm going to go put this back in the front room so I can see it on the way in and out. Know just how many layers to put on before I freeze to death. Get one I did, and I am just darn happy about that.